So in this video we'll be seeing how to manipulate the content type and magic numbers. So this content type header and magic numbers will be checked by the web server sometimes. So no matter what extension you put, like PHP or php.jpg etc., the content type and magic numbers will be checked. So we have already seen content type header in the request HTTP request field, and these magic numbers are the starting few bytes of the file that would determine what is the type of the file. So if you take a look at this, so Google search like this magic bytes, and you can see these are all the magic bytes in hexadecimal for all the extensions. And you can see for pcap, so these are the various magic bytes. So here you can see here are icons, databases and GIF files and JPG images and etc. So if you take a look at this, these are some like not ASCII characters, so these are more likely Unicode characters. So these first few bytes will be checked by the web server to make sure that this file is actual valid JPG or JPEG. So those implementations will be implemented in the web server to check the magic bytes of the file. So what we can do is we can manipulate these magic bytes and we can send our web shell. So in this we will be doing this one. So here we will be using the hex editor, so you can edit the file in the hexadecimal format. So I will be using a hexadecimal editor called Bless. So first let's review our code. And one important thing is, so GIF for this GIF format, what you can do is you can simply write GIF 8 in the normal ASCII character. So you can just edit in the GIF 8. So this will become the GIF file. Okay. So this is the actual code for our command execution. So what you need to do is you can say sudo apt install bless. So that will do the installation of the bless hex editor, and then let's say bless phprc.php. Now this is the starting point. Now what you can do is you can press right arrow and left arrow to move through the bytes. So what I can normally do is, so I want to copy these bytes GIF 8. So let's copy this, and simply at the starting of this byte press Ctrl V, and here you can see in the normal ASCII format GIF 8 and PHP. So what you can do is click on file and save as. So let's say shell.php, let's say okay, let's say shell.php and save this. So now you can close this cat shell.php. In the similar manner you can also edit for this in the JPG also. So all you need to do is copy these bytes, so at the starting of the byte click on paste. So now you can save this one, save as jpg shell.php. So close this one. So here you can see these cannot be viewed in the terminal. So we have got two shells, that is one GIF and the JPG. So let's go to this website. They are saying magic .upload_once.thm. So let's go to this, and here select the file. So we will be first selecting the shell.php. So let's first select normal phprc.php. So what are the contents of this? So it is normal PHP file. So let's select this one and click on upload. So gifs only please. Also we'll be intercepting again the same request. So let's select now shell.php. So click on upload, and here you can see this one. So here what we are going to do is sometimes you need to change this content type value. So what you can do is you can Google checklist content type. So these are all the content types you can send in the header. I think there are so many, but what you can do is you can just clone this one. So download this, and what you can filter through this one. So the website can ask for images, right? Because we have uploaded something and it says only GIFs are error. So what you can do is you can grep through this for the images. So you can also grep for JPG, JPEG, etc. You can just put the image, then it will be very valid for any type of the images. So that is you can also add this, send this to intruder, and you can brute force this with the content type word list. So for now we are not going to do that. So shell.php, and we are sending, you can see the GIF 8 at the starting. So forward this one, and here you can see file successfully uploaded. So we'll be we should find now the directory in which the images are being stored. And we have the graphics and assets. So go to graphics, and it says you don't have permission. You can also try like this shell.php, because we are accessing the file, and which can have permission because it's we uploaded. So type who am I. So put HTTP at the starting, otherwise it is going to be search in the Google. So here you can see along with the GIF 8 we got the output of who am I. So you can also go and fetch the flag just as they ask. So you can also read some you can just view the users. You can also press Ctrl U to get the neat like formatted output. So now if you got the code execution, you can report that vulnerability, and also you can try to fetch like private keys for the users. So here we don't have any users, so normally there will be some users if they have some private key readable by everyone, then you can also report that one as well. So that's all about this video, content type and magic bytes.